Hey guys, it's Brian and welcome back to Arrowhead Garage. On this Tuesday Titan episode, we are replacing the drop links in our front sway bar. It's pretty easy to do. There's just two bolts. Do both sides at the same time. You can buy a kit. There's a link down below. And remember, here at Arrowhead Garage, it's all about repairing your vehicle, giving you the DIY skills and tools that you need to do this job at home in your two-car garage without a bunch of special mechanics tools. So follow along this week as we install new drop links at our 2008 Nissan Titan 4x4. So with that, let's shut her down and get to wrenching on another Tuesday Titan video. All right, front suspension is up, the front end is up. This here's our drop link. There's two bolts, 17 millimeter on the outside. You'll need a 19 millimeter wrench here to hold it in place while you take this off. And then the same thing happens up here. So what we do down here, we're just gonna come up here and do the same thing. So here we go. Okay, take our deep socket, 17, put it on there. And that should, yep, start to come right off. All right, there's that nut, and that's off. That's gonna free that up. Go ahead and get this top one here. This one here is gonna be a little bit different since we can't really get a socket back in there. I have to take a 17-inch and do the same thing. There we go. This one here is not as deep as the other one. There it is. Okay. Pull that one out like that. There it is. Okay, we're now on the passenger side. We'll go ahead and take care of this one as well. Again, that 19 millimeter. We'll go right in here. Get it on there. There it is. And then that there is going to be our deep 17. Broken loose. Next one up here. We'll get this on, that 19 on that outside. Then we're going to take our 17 and get in here. There we go. So having these ratchets here, wrenches, they are nice. There we go. All right, got those two bolts out now. We can drive this out and this out. There it is. And there's our old one. Now it's time to install the new drop link. Going there, and then down to here. Kind of a little game you're gonna have to play with yourself here. I put one in there. Just right there. Oh, good, 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 good. Another pump or two. One more. Is that all you got right there? All right. Okay, go ahead and release. So turn it counterclockwise. There you go. Okay, that's all I needed. Yeah, you're good. No, you just leave it there and I'll take care of it. Okay, next, put on our nuts. Put one up here. All right. Okay, and this one's going to be a 17 on the inside. And then we will tighten these down. And these here get about 62 foot-pounds of torque. All right, pretty simple job. You can do this on a Saturday afternoon. Take out those 4 bolts, 2 on each side, pull out those drop links, put your new ones in, torque them down, get back on the road. Easy DIY for a Nissan Titan owner, or actually anyone who has sway bar drop links in their vehicles. So if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're enjoying this rebuild series on the front end of the Titan, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos that we have on the Titan. And with that, we will see you next Tuesday for another Titan Tuesday video.